everyone, now we are testing the shockproof of T-Eagle MRPRO4-16x44, the reference scope. Now let's correct the reticle to the point. Okay, now everything is on the point and we will do shockproof test. Okay, we will see the shockproof test. Okay, now let's see the result of the shockproof test. Okay, we will put it and let's see the result. It's still on the point. The point is still on the point. So the shockproof test of the reticle is very okay, and is MRPRO. This score. If you like it, you can contact with us.